We're here this week offering Arts and Sciences Career Camp, a program exposing sophomores and juniors with a major in the College of Arts and Sciences to career experiences, to self-discovery activities, and to networking with some of the finest organizations in the Dayton area. Over the course of 3 days, our sophomores and juniors will learn about themselves through a career assessment. They will practice realistic job search skills, including resume and cover letter writing and LinkedIn profile development. They'll learn about networking using LinkedIn and how to reach out to alumni and employers throughout the country. And they'll learn about etiquette, both business and dining etiquette, and how that can help them stand out in the job search process.
One of the opportunities that you have as a graduate of the College of Arts and Sciences is that you are actually presented, I think, with a wider palette of career choices. You're graduating with a set of skills and a body of knowledge where you can go in a lot of different directions. And that requires a level of discernment. And so we're wanting to build into these next few days an opportunity for you to reflect on who you are you becoming, and where can you best kind of take your skills and interests to meet the world's needs, right? So it's that vocational discernment that we think is also so critical to Career Camp.
I came to Career Camp to learn about the factors that go into creating a proper resume, engaging with future employers, and applying for internships.
I'm just going to briefly go through some tips today on resumes from a recruiter standpoint, kind of what we look for when you're applying for internships, applying for jobs.
So I decided to participate in Career Camp because I knew that I need to learn more about pursuing internships and building a resume.
The tips on this handout, I think, can help you take your LinkedIn profile from good to great.
I have not had a lot of experience in professional settings, so I wanted to kind of figure out what skills I was lacking and what I could improve in, and this definitely helped me do that. My biggest takeaway was definitely the difference between business casual and business professional dress.
You always want to look at anything you're wearing, including shoes, and saying, is this going to distract for all the wrong reasons? So my business professional shoes are typically wingtipped, so there is a bit of design on them, but they're not distracting.
I came to Career Camp to learn more about what my professional life is going to be like after I graduate from college. I definitely wanted to gain the skills and the knowledge that I needed to be able to approach employers in a confident way.
That is a testament to how passionate our alums are about their alma mater and how committed they are, I think, to helping our current students build bridges to life after UD.
Initially, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with that degree. I thought I was going to law school, but the more I started actually taking classes and getting a sense of what does it mean to study political science, I recognized I had a natural affinity to the local level of government.
Follow your passion and what you really like to do, what you know that you're good at as well. Hopefully that lines up for you. And don't be afraid to take risks.
Overall, networking is a major component of Career Camp, and we're proud of the different organizations within the Dayton area that we're bringing to campus to expose our sophomores and juniors to during Career Camp.
We're in part wanting you to think about Dayton as a landing space for you, career-wise, right? We're going to introduce you to 3 of the most dynamic, innovative companies of many dynamic, innovative companies here in the Dayton area. They hire arts and science graduates across the board.
I'm just really glad I did Career Camp because it provided me the skills I needed to advance my current career, but also make sure I have the skills necessary to network in the future and just make sure that I can advance my interest in what I want to do in my life.
At Career Camp, I have learned how to identify the gifts and talents that God has given me to apply them to a potential career.
Career Camp has been an incredible opportunity for me because it's provided me with so many experiences to learn about the working world that I think has just given me a lot of confidence. And I think it'll give me a leg up when it's my time to graduate and go out into that working world that I just wouldn't have had otherwise.